Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, November 10th. First thing we'll look at is the water vapor satellite loop. The main feature is a large high pressure over the Pacific Ocean, and the flow over Idaho is out of the north-northwest. Very cold flow. We will have a couple of weak waves passing to the east with some periods of cloud cover over the next 2 days, but mostly will be sunny for the next 2 days. All snow shower activity will be very light. Looking at the morning radar loop, again, very little over eastern Idaho. Most of the stuff along the Wyoming border is aloft, and the heavier snowfall is occurring well to the north in Montana. And that trend will continue for the next couple of days. We do have a cold front pushing south today to reinforce some of the cold air. Again, the surface depiction showing most of the snowfall over Montana and Wyoming. Very light snow over some of the mountains, central mountains, and also towards the Island Park, Yellowstone area. As we go into Sunday, again, the snowfall east with high pressure over Idaho. Again, tomorrow, only very light snow showers over some of the mountain areas. And on Monday, high pressure dominating with dry conditions throughout the entire state. Snowfall amounts today, again, very light. Some areas a tenth or two in the Island Park towards Yellowstone area. Again, not expecting any travel problems. And as we go through the evening, again, some of the mountain areas showing a couple tenths, again, focused mainly towards the Island Park area, the Montana-Wyoming borders. And by the time we get to Sunday, again, mainly dry. Again, some very light snow showers towards the Island Park area, and not expecting, again, major accumulations with that. The main impact is going to be cold temperatures, highs today in the 30s in the mountains to low to mid 40s in the Snake River Plain. And again, turning colder behind the cold front pushing through tonight and tomorrow. High temperatures tomorrow, mid 20s to mid 30s mountains, mid to upper 30s in the Snake River Plain, and remaining very cold as we get into Monday, with generally 20s to 30s in the mountains and valleys. Overnight lows are going to be cold as well. Generally teens in the valleys tonight, around 0 in the mountain valleys. And those cold temperatures will continue Sunday night and Monday night. Some mountain valleys below 0 Monday morning, including the Stanley area. And again, generally 10 to 15 in the Snake River Plain. And starting to see a bit of a warm-up by Tuesday morning. Low temperatures reaching the mid to upper teens to near 20 in the Snake River Plain. And as we go through next week, it will start to warm up through the period. Not expecting much in the way of wind impacts today. Some of the higher mountain passes could see some 15 to 20 mile an hour wind gusts. Generally, the flow should turn northerly, especially north of Idaho Falls today, and some of those northerly winds will push south over the entire region by tonight and Sunday. Wind gusts Sunday and Monday, not expected to be as strong as today generally. Some of the passes 10 to 15 miles an hour, but for the most part, we're looking at lighter winds as we go through the week as the high pressure moves in. Looking a quick peek at the 1 to 2 week, 8 to 14 day outlook, the trend is towards above normal temperatures and also below normal precipitation over southeast Idaho. That will conclude the briefing today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or go to our website. Thank you.